Hi, guys. All right, so it is Tuesday, November 24th. So it's our second day of virtual learning. Great job on your first day. There's just a couple things I want to go over that I want you guys to know. So, again, every single day you're going to go to Canvas and you're going to click this daily agenda button. That's where everything you need to know is on. Okay, so I would always go to that daily agenda button. Second thing, make sure you have your email tab open, your Gmail. Keep that open all day because if I have questions that I need to ask you, if there's something that you need to turn in, I will email you, and then that way you'll be notified as soon as you get an email from a teacher. Okay. And then again, make sure you are asking questions. Get back on the Zoom. I will have the Zoom open all class. That's probably the easiest way to get your question answered because then you can talk to me face to face and I can help you with exactly what you need help with. Okay. All right, so for today, what you're going to be doing is similar to yesterday. So this is called researching and outlining day 2. Okay. So again, your bell work, remember, is just on these slides now. You don't have to go to Canvas discussions. Everything is going to be on the slides. So what your bell work is for today, it says the words and definitions have been mismatched. You need to highlight the definition on the right to match the color of the word they describe. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead. We'll see if who watches the video. I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer to the first one. So plagiarism, we need to figure out what plagiarism is. And if any of these words, if you're like, I don't know what that is, you can go to Google, type in what the definition is, or ask, go to dictionary.com. That's an option too. Okay, so plagiarism is when you're using someone else's words and you're pretending like they're your own. That's what plagiarism is. So if plagiarism is highlighted in light blue, then I want to match the definition. So I'm going to go to this highlighter tab, click the light blue. So there you go. There's the answer to the first one. So now you can do that for whatever you think the definition for outline is, you would do that purple, reliable, yellow, etc. Okay, so that's the bell work. For the notes. So next week after Thanksgiving break, we are going to be starting to write your argumentative essay. Again, we're going to do it in very small parts. We're going to take it day by day. But today you're going to be picking the topic that you want to write your essay about. Okay. So there's 4 options for the argumentative essay. So we have, should phones be allowed in schools? Should schools require uniforms? Should self-driving cars replace regular cars? And should Confederate statues be removed? Okay, so you're going to highlight which topic you want to write about. You're only going to pick one. All right, then down here, you're going to watch this video. If you click the image, the video will pop up. And then after you watch the video, you're going to think about, okay, what are 3 things that I already know about my topic? And what are 3 things that I want to know? So for example, if you're doing, should phones be allowed in school? What are 3 things you know about phones being allowed in school? Maybe one thing is that Edgewood says that we can't have phones in school, or maybe you look up a statistic or something like that. Okay. All right. The next slide are sources. Okay. On this slide, I know there's a lot going on. You only have to read through the sources for your topic. Okay. So for example, if you're doing the self-driving cars topic, you only need to read the sources that are in this box. You don't need to read any of these other things. If you're doing school uniforms, you only have to read through the sources that are talking about school uniforms. Okay. So whenever you choose your topic, you're going to go to the box about your topic and you're going to click on these different sources and just kind of read through them. Okay. You don't have to read every single thing on every single one. I know there's a lot of links, but I want you to kind of look through and see the different reasons that these sources give. Okay, so again, you only have to click on the links that go with your topic that you chose. All right, and then the last thing you're going to do is the check for understanding. So it says, now that you have read through multiple sources on your topic, write down 3 pieces of information you learned about your topic. Okay, so after you have read through your sources, in this box, you're going to type 3 things that you learned about your topic. Okay, so again, if you're doing school uniforms, tell me 3 things you learned about school uniforms. So this is going to help you next week when we actually start writing the essay. You'll already have this information. Okay, and again, if you need help or you're confused about anything, get on the Zoom. I'm happy to help you, or you can always email me too. Okay, all right, bye guys.